All right, I got a question saying that how do you know if Jupiter is good or bad in your horoscope? So let me tell you, it is very easy to find out whether Jupiter is really good or bad in a horoscope. First and foremost thing, if at all Jupiter is placed in Kendras, that is first house, fourth house, seventh house, 10th and 11th houses are considered as benefic for planet Jupiter. And even the fifth and the ninth houses are also considered as benefic for planet Jupiter. And also second house, because second house talks about wealth, your assets, all those things talked by second house. And Jupiter is also a karaka for wealth and financial matters. All right, and Jupiter also is the karaka for prosperity and abundance, which is denoted by the ninth house. So ninth house Jupiter is also considered as super good. And Jupiter, especially in the 8th house, 6th house, and 12th house, are not considered beneficial, especially in the female birth chart. Like Jupiter is considered as husband, especially in the 12th house. So it brings a lot of misfortune in the life. All right. And especially in the 8th house, Jupiter brings a lot of challenges with regards to the financial matters, and your self confidence will be very low, and you need to you always will be what you say, you'll be getting into arguments very frequently if at all Jupiter is placed in the 8th house. And if Jupiter is placed in the 6th house, there will be a lot of debts. You might undergo a lot of debts, enemies, obstacles in your journey. Especially in the business partnership, there will be a little bit of friction among the business partners. And there comes a lot of litigation issues as well, because 6th house talks about litigation matters. All right. So if the Jupiter is very strongly placed in your birth chart, then obviously you'll be considered as lucky by birth. The reason being, Jupiter is the karaka for finances, abundance, prosperity, growth, development, and progress. Okay, and the Jupiter is the planet which is pleased very easily. If at all you do any kind of remedy to planet Jupiter, it is pleased very easily, and also you'll be getting a lot of support from your friends and the elders as well. Jupiter represents elders, and you'll be getting very good support from the elders. Okay, and if Jupiter is placed well in your life, obviously you will not be shortage of finances, and you'll be getting into very good position in your career as well. Your career pursuits also will be very good. There will be very good progress in your career, and also you'll be associated with the people from foreign countries. You'll be getting a lot of connects from the foreign countries, and you'll be getting very good support as well. If Jupiter is placed in the 7th house, you'll be getting a lot of money from the foreign countries, because 7th house talks about money from foreign countries. All right. And this person also will be very cheerful and in nature, and also he is very ambitious towards working towards his goals. His self-confidence will be very high. He will be emerging as a great teacher, scholar, and educationist, because Jupiter is the karaka for wisdom and knowledge. All right. And also this person is very sympathetic and strong in affection as well. Okay, that's what Sage Parashara says. I follow Sage Parashara Hora Shastra, and this predictions I gave it from the Sage Parashara Hora Shastra only. I follow traditional astrology, not the KP system and all that. So most of the videos which I present is based upon the Sage Parashara Hora Shastra only. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure you would have got some good insights about what happens if Jupiter is good, what happens if Jupiter is bad. Right. So I have made more videos on Jupiter in Vedic astrology. Please do check those videos as well. You'll be getting a lot of interesting points, and also you'll be getting a lot of information pertaining to planet Jupiter in various houses. So do check in my YouTube channel. I have made so many videos on planet Jupiter significance and what happens if Jupiter transit happens in so and so zodiac signs. Also I have provided. So do browse my YouTube channel. You'll be getting a hell lot of videos on Vedic astrology. All right. So my objective is to help you with the knowledge of Vedic astrology. So stay tuned. And if at all you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also if at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with a complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. All right. And I'll see you in the consultation.